Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about lysosomes. In this video, we are going to discuss about vacuoles. Vacuole is a membrane-bound space It is a membrane-bound space inside the cytoplasm, and it contains materials such as sap, water, ions, excretory waste, etc. So they are basically used as storehouse of all the substances that are present inside the cell. Vacuoles are generally absent in animal cells. If present, they are very small in size, that is barely perceptible. So plant cells contain large vacuoles, and it may fill up to 90% of entire cell volume, thus pushing the nucleus towards the periphery. So in case of a plant cell, the lysosome may be so big that the nucleus it is pushed to the periphery, whereas in animal cells the nucleus will be found at the center. The membrane of lysosome, the membrane of vacuole, it is known as tonoplast. It is known as tonoplast. Tonoplast facilitates the transport of ions and other materials against concentration gradient inside the vacuole. Therefore, the concentration of these substances is going to be substantially higher inside the vacuole as compared to the cytoplasm. Now, the vacuole, it can be of three types. It can be a storage vacuole, which is basically storing all the above mentioned substances. This helps in maintaining osmotic potential, and it also acts as storehouse of excretory products. The other type of vacuole can be a food vacuole, which is formed by engulfing food particles by a cell. The other type of vacuole can be a contractile vacuole, which helps in excretion and osmoregulation. So what happens is, For example, if this is a cell and this is an excretory material that is to be removed, so a contractile vacuole will be formed around this excretory product. This contractile vacuole, it is going to fuse with the membrane of the cell. This is going to fuse with the membrane of the cell. Now this portion of the membrane will pinch off, thus excreting out the unnecessary or the waste product. This is how contractile vacuole functions. So with this, we finish off with this discussion on vacuoles. See you in next video.